Start by removing the 3 screws holding the burner plate in place. Once that's off, disconnect all the wires from the main board. Avoid pulling on the wire, instead, pull gently from the plug to prevent wire damage. Set the burner plate aside and remove the screws on the wires. Now, remove the 6 screws securing the main board. 5 along the edges and 1 at the center. Once you remove the screws, pull down the caps from the blue and red wires. To remove the wires, carefully unhinge them from the board. Using a flathead screwdriver, push the side of the wire to release it. Next, take your replacement board and attach it to the plate. After, attach the blue and red wires back to the board. The blue wire goes in neutral, N, and the red wire goes in live, L. Ensure the wires are correctly connected to prevent damage to your main board. Then, pull down the plastic covers. Now, reconnect the burner plate wires by inserting the screws through the ring terminals. And attach all the other part wires to the main board. Once all the wires are connected, screw the burner plate back in place. And lastly, add thermal paste to the sensor.